In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Hyundai Elantra located under your hood. With the hood open, go ahead and locate your air filter box right here on the driver's side of the engine compartment. And there's going to be two clips. One here you're going to pull out, and there's one on the back corner here you're going to push away. Lift this up. Now as you lift it up, there's going to be two tabs that are horizontally positioned. You're going to lift up, pull out, and then lift up. Your air filter is located right inside here. Go ahead and pry that up, remove it, and then you can go ahead and get your new filter. Go ahead and take that filter, set that inside. Make sure that it's fully seated. As you lower the box down, make sure that the two horizontal tabs line up in the back. Push that in, push down the front, snap your clips up, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.